for an ice roller online to depuff my face. Whenever I wake up early in the morning, my eyes are puffed up and my whole face looks puffed up and I look like a different person. So I wanted something to depuff my face. So that's when I went online to buy ice rollers or ice globes. Unfortunately, to my surprise, they are priced at rupees 3,000 and above. And that's when fortunately I saw the Ghar Soaps ice roller. They are uniquely designed to contour and sculpt your face. What you'll have to do is fill it with water, freeze it, and you got your ice roller ready. I filled it up with water, watermelon juice, coffee, and it is so much fun. It came in a box like this. It's a paper box. I'm definitely going to reuse this box. I'm going to store my watches in there. And it opens up like this, and this is the actual product that you see. This product is made up of silicone. It is unbreakable and reusable. It opens up like this. And it has a hole on top where you can pour your water in. You can fill it up with water or pretty much anything that you would like to put on your face. Fill it with water. Freezer and let it freeze for 4 hours. After freezing, you can take this out and rub it all over your face. Reduces eye bags, reduces swelling and cools down the skin after being under the sun for a long time. Massage face with this ice roller in circular motions with a gap of 30 seconds in between. It contours and sculpts your face and adds a radiance to your skin. I already see myself using this product again and again. I'm gonna put like cucumber water, tomato juice in them, freeze it and use it on my face. This is a 2-in-1 product. You get to depuff your face and also you're going to get benefited from the ingredients that you're going to put into this. For example, I added watermelon juice to it. Watermelon is loaded with antioxidants. So I'm going to get the benefits of watermelon and also depuff my face at the same time. This Ghar Soaps ice roller is priced at rupees 1,499, which I think is super affordable for a good quality ice rollers. I bet you cannot find ice rollers of good quality ones cheaper than this. This has a sturdy silicone material which is gonna last really long. This is like a one-time investment. Once you invest in this, you're gonna use it for lifelong. You can literally put in anything that you want to put on your face, freeze it and use it. It is a 2-in-1 product. It depuffs your face and also serves as a face mask. This is one of the best products to depuff your face every morning. Link is in the description box. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Nidhi signing off. Bye-bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.